This is going to be a quick video that will show you how to select the correct year for AutoCAD download for our course here at the school. So as you can see, I'm already at the Autodesk website, autodesk.com. So bring yourself to this address, and then once you're there, click sign in. Now I'm going to be signing in with my personal email. And then it's going to want my password. So now I'm logged in. You can see up in the top right hand corner, my initials are in this green circle. Next, I'm going to scroll down to resources and select free software for students. So this is going to bring me to the page where I can download the software. Now, when I find AutoCAD here, it doesn't allow me to actually download it. I have one more thing I need to do. I can scroll back up to the top and select sign in, where it says already have educational access. So this is after my account has been verified that I can download educational AutoCAD software to my home computer. So I will select sign in, and now it recognizes me. It says hello. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find AutoCAD. Now this is the Windows installation here. That's symbols for Windows. There is a version for Mac right here. So if you're using a Mac computer, you would select this one, but most of us are on the Windows PC computers. You'll select here. So you pick Get Product, and this is going to default to a Windows system and 2021. It's very, very important that you adjust this drop-down bar and change this to 2019. The reason for this is our lab at the school is configured for AutoCAD 2019 software. So downloading any release higher would result in me not being able to open up your drawings to check them and mark them from the assignment folder Dropbox. So this is extremely important that you select 2019. After you've done this, you can hit the install, download the program, and install it. Now, I'm not actually going to show you that step because I already have this downloaded to my laptop already, so I don't need to do that. But any questions, concerns, or comments, please send me an email or talk to me in a Teams meeting, and I will be happy to give you a hand. That's it for now. Take care and have a great day.